Hi everyone! We have some great DIYs for you once again. As you can see, this is just the plastic serving supplies that Dollar Tree has, and I have the glass candlestick holder. So what I'm going to do is just use some Fix-All along with my glue gun, and I'm going to put together these 3 pieces. Now I'm using the Fix-All because I do want it to be permanent. Now I did wait overnight for it to be a good seal, so it did not come undone. This is the next day. As you can see, it's really stuck on there. It's not going to come apart, of course, unless you drop it. I'm just taking the little tag off from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to use the glue gun on this one. Now these really cute little acrylic deer, I hope you can find them at Dollar Tree because they are really pretty. They're not really lightweight. They have a nice weight to them, so you can use them in any of your DIY projects. I think eventually I will spray paint one black, just like a matte black. I haven't done that as of yet. As you can see, I'm adding some lights, which, you know, I'm going to always add lights to every of my projects, and then some snow because it's Christmas time. And we need everything to look snowy and bright. I have this beautiful Christmas ornament. I put a tiny bit of glue on it, not much, but it does light up. It's so pretty. And you can do different things with this particular setup that I have. You can put an angel on top. You can put another glass bowl on top. I did a lot of different things with this particular one. And this turned out so pretty. It's pretty simple. And a lot of these you can pull apart after Christmas if you want to, except for after using the Fix-All glue. I surrounded the little plate that's on the bottom with lots of those little acrylic deer. And I love the way this turned out. It's so pretty. It would make a pretty table centerpiece, or you can use it just as a decoration for one of your tables or your entryway. Love the way it turned out. It's so pretty. I hope you get to make this. It's pretty simple and it turned out beautiful. I did get the lights from Amazon, and I use bright white. I don't use the yellow ones. As you can see, I switched it out, put a Christmas tree on top. You can switch it out and put an angel on top. You can switch it out and put whatever you want on top. There's another little different, this is like a wired, really pretty tree that I got at Hobby Lobby. It's made of metal. It's really pretty. Okay, my next DIY, I got this beautiful silver tree at Hobby Lobby, and it wasn't very expensive. I got these little chandelier pieces, and they were 50% off. So they were $1.50, I believe, and you got 4 of them. It was such a good price. And I think this tree probably was maybe less than $10. So this makes a beautiful decoration for any room in your house. It would be pretty even in a bathroom or your bedroom. It's very elegant and it looks gorgeous. I have it sitting in with my Christmas decorations, which you'll see later on in this, not this particular video today, but later on in one of my videos. Because I will take you through my whole house and I'll show you all my decorations. But all you're going to do is just hang all these little crystal chandelier pieces on this tree, and that is it. It's a pretty simple, easy way to decorate your house. No glue involved, just hanging it like you would ornaments on a tree. And it is quite beautiful. I think I used 3 or 4 packages of these chandelier pieces. Some people use them for ornaments. They do have the little hooks on them for an ornament, but I have seen people make chandeliers out of these and put lights on them, and it's gorgeous. I hope if you think about it, you'll hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification bell so that next time you'll know when we have a video coming out. And if you share with your family and friends, we would really appreciate it. And we appreciate you for always hanging in there with us. You're welcome to comment down below. We will get back to you. And we hope you are enjoying our videos. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? It's such a simple thing. Very simple. And it'll really brighten up a room. I have it with my other silver decorations, so it's sort of surrounded by like a really pretty silver deer and some silver trees, and it just really is gorgeous. Also, I can't wait to show you my Santa sleigh and reindeers, because I'm going to use these same reindeers in that particular video. You can also add an extra plate on top of that candlestick and add more stuff if you want to. You can also use this particular DIY for food in your kitchen. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button and notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. And I hope you're having a marvelous day. Take care. Bye.